Hello everybody, today I am going to prepare a delicious dessert. I hope you like it.
First, we are going to list the ingredients. Milk cream, vanilla cookies, lemon juice, condensed milk, cookware, whisk, mortar, grater, bowl. After we have the all things, we will start preparation. Add the milk cream, pour condensed milk, and lemon juice. Scramble it for 5 minutes to get a homogeneous texture.
A few moments later.
Then, put the cookies in the mortar and crush them. Put some cookies in the bowl. And add a little of our own mixture. Place a second layer of cookies. Then place a second layer of our own mixture. To finish, decorate it with lemon zest. And refrigerate it for 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Sacrilicious.
Daylight come, me want